In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M01 core, and let me show you how to change SIM card pin on this phone. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, go to settings then, and here locate security and lock screen and security. So desktop, click on it to open. Now enroll other security settings and click on set up SIM card lock. Okay, so let me try to open, and here you will notice change SIM card pin. Click to open, and now provide the current pin that you have. So in my case it's 1111. Tap on OK then, and provide a new one. So it can be 2580. Click on OK then, and then provide this new one again just to confirm, and OK then. And as you can see, it has been already done, so you've just changed SIM card pin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.